Hello and welcome to MicroChef. Today, I am going to show you how to make tropical jam in the microwave. Use a microwave-safe dish and add 200 grams of chopped apples. Add 200 grams of chopped pears. Add 200 grams of chopped pineapple. Add 100 grams of chopped banana. Add the zest of 2 lemons. Add 250 milliliters of water. Mix the fruit until well combined. Microwave for 6 minutes on high to soften the fruit. Remove from the microwave and mix the cooked fruit. Add the juice of 2 lemons. Add 50 grams of desiccated coconut. Finally, add 750 grams of brown sugar. Mix until well combined, then microwave for 5 minutes on high. Remove from the microwave and mix well. Microwave for 15 more minutes on high. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Then, fill 2 hot sterilized jars with the jam. Use a canning funnel if you don't want to make a mess like I did. Seal the jam with a sterilized lid while still hot. The jam will keep for at least a year if stored in a cupboard away from direct sunlight. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.